Hello and welcome to the OCR Further Maths videos for Pure Core. This is Vectors 5, Lines and Planes. This is video 5.4, the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. Okay, so what we want to do is find the shortest distance between these two parallel lines in 3D. Remember that if these two lines here are parallel, then either C, the direction vector for line 1, needs to be equal to D, the direction vector from line 2, or one needs to be a multiple of the other. Now, if we have a diagram here of L1 and L2, what we do is pick a general point A here, any point at all on this line, and then we draw a vector from here to the other line to a point P. What we need to do is make sure that this vector AP is perpendicular to the lines. Now obviously because these are parallel, if it's perpendicular to L1, it's also going to be perpendicular to L2 or vice versa, so you can make it perpendicular to either one. Once we've done that using the scalar product, what we're going to do is just find the magnitude of that vector, and that tells us that shortest distance. Okay, so here we have two lines and we're going to pick any point A. Again, as I said in previous videos, make life as easy for yourself as possible. So I'm going to pick the point where lambda is 0. So the point A is going to have position vector 0, 1, 1. Now we know that the point P is going to have position vector, it's on L2, so it's going to be 2 minus 3 mu minus 1 minus 4 mu 1 plus 5 mu. What we're going to need to do now is find this vector AP, and then we're going to use the dot product to make it perpendicular to the lines that we have. So AP is going to be P minus A, so 2 minus 3 mu minus 1, so minus 2 minus 4 mu, and P minus A, so 0, so that's just going to be 5 mu. Okay, so as I said before, we need to do the dot product so it's perpendicular, so the dot product is going to equal 0, and we can do that with either of these two vectors here. Now they're the same in this particular case, but if they were different, one was a multiple of the other, choose the one that makes your life easiest. So 2 minus 3 mu minus 2 minus 4 mu 5 mu, and when we dot that here, minus 3 minus 4 5, what we want to get is 0 because they're perpendicular. So we get minus 6 plus 9 mu plus 8 plus 16 mu plus 25 mu equals 0. And when we simplify this, we end up with mu equals minus 1 over 25. So what we need to do now is substitute mu into here so that we can find out what this vector AP is, and then find the magnitude of it. And if you do that work yourself, you can pause the video because I'm about to give the answer, you will find that the magnitude of AP, or the distance between those two lines, is 3 root 22 over 5. Okay, so please join us for the last video in this section, which is 5.5, the perpendicular distance between skew lines.